I gotta refilm this intro. I didn't realize that the SD card wasn't in and it didn't record. I got back, got quite a bit of, I was gone for quite a while here. So I have a short week this week to try to get something done. So it's pretty early right now. I have no lights in here. I had to wait till it got to being like 6:30 in the morning, so at least I had some sunlight. And I'm going through painting the back wall, painting the ceiling white, getting all that finished up. I'm ripping through. My goal is to finish out color on this. I got 2 days this week. I have to leave town again. I'll see if I can rip it out. Not gonna be a lot of talking. You're just gonna see me painting and working on a bunch of stuff. That's what I got. Back wall is painted. I'm waiting for the red and the white to dry for me to drop the black stripe. I still need to tape it and technically paint again, so I won't get to that until tomorrow. But I can start throwing up everything I was using on this wall. All my decor and things like that, so let's get that done. Well, the wall is coming together. It's not real full yet, which is fine. I'm not trying to necessarily pack it, but at the same time, I have a lot of this decor that still has to go up on this back wall and the side wall. I have a lot more plates for this side wall. I probably have another dozen or so of random vehicles that I've had. And on the back of each of these plates, what I do is I keep the plates from my old vehicles and I write. Like this one was on my 99 Mustang Cobra that I remember having a very long time ago. So for me, hold on, fixed. All right, so all these plates are in some way related to vehicles I've had, whether they be on it when I buy something, or it could be once I register it, that's what gets put on it, but they're all relevant to cars I've had. So I'm gonna keep working on this. I gotta get more nails. I've pretty much ran out. Each one takes anywhere from 2 to 4 nails. I did not plan for that. Then once this is dried, I can probably tape this tonight and do my thick coat to try to fill in the gaps so I can paint the stripe tomorrow. So that way, technically, I don't know what I'm waiting on. And then I got some other goodies, but probably won't be done. Being like the fan and the on the AC. Yeah, it sucks in here. All right. Well, I've been waiting about 6 hours for Home Depot delivery. I'm gonna run out of light here soon because again, I didn't have any lights inside here. So I had my wife help me assemble the pallet racking and then I just strung up some lights underneath real quick. So at least I have some lights in here. Those will actually stay there just so they give some light to my toolbox when I need it. I still won't have any light over here, but I'm hoping that they show up before the sun gets too far down, but I'm not too optimistic. So, I'm just gonna keep working on slowly putting some stuff away. As soon as that paint gets here though, I'm waiting on the white. I am out of the white. I need to paint all of this again, like I did the first time, with white to help prevent it from having bleed through when I do the black stripe, like I did down here. So I will paint the white, let this cure, and then tomorrow I'll come back with the black, drop the black on, and then we'll lift the tape to see how well it did or did not do. And then I'll have to come back through and touch it up. But once I get that done, I can start moving some of this other stuff up against that back wall and actually start cleaning this. Then I can come back and actually do white on the ceiling when I'm not having to work around all of this in here. All right, just waiting, still cleaning. Can't really clean anything though, because I gotta move everything, so yeah. It showed up, this paint finally. It's a new morning. Let's see how the paint dried. Pretty good. Good coverage on everything. I don't see any massive drips or anything. I think we're good to throw some black for the stripe. And then I can start working on doing the ceiling, painting that. All right, I'm working right now and just going through cleaning up. I got all the ceiling painted. I think it is covered. I have an entire another gallon of paint. Honestly, I could probably go back through and do a really heavy second coat, but I don't know how this is gonna look when it dries. So I'm gonna let it sit for a couple days. If I need to, I'll come back in and retouch it up. But I will say, this garage has came a really long way. I mean, little befores and afters. Yeah. All right, guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up on this one. We made some pretty good progress today. Or the last few days, ceiling got painted, got everything set up on the far side. Kind of got a little organized on this. A lot of this still has to change around once I can actually get everything unpacked and moved around a bit. Just don't have time yet. So I think I'm gonna end it here. I appreciate you guys sticking around to the end. If you guys like the content, hit like, subscribe, maybe comment what you guys wanna see. I think in the future, I'm obviously trying to shift away from garage renovation because that's not why you're here. And instead, I'd like to really start working on the truck and the Charger again, plus a couple other little projects I've been thinking about maybe picking up, or it might turn into one really big one. A couple other things that we're gonna be working on. I still have fans, HVAC. I still have to insulate garage door and install green springs, which are springs I got in a couple days ago that are to help with the efficiency of the garage door itself. Pretty cool. I'll drop those on as well. I need to get the hex lighting installed. There's a kit I picked up. It came in yesterday, so we're good there. So I think once I have another garage episode, I think this place is really gonna go to the next level. But right now, I think it's looking pretty good. If you guys have any other recommendations, let me know. Other than that, keep building. I'm gonna go pack to go see the in-laws.